Hey, what's going on, everyone? Derek Ross with Soapbox here, and I'm going to talk to you today about an app I built a few months ago called Syncster. Syncster simply allows you to sync your Nostr profile around the Nostr ecosystem. The problem is that in a decentralized manner, there is no true profile or identity manager that keeps your profile in sync across all of the Nostr relays. The reason why this is a problem is because users are free to choose relays and migrate between relays as often as they would like. So for example, if I'm using relay A and I update my profile, relay A now knows about my new profile metadata. If I remove relay A, or if relay A is offline and I add relay B and I update my profile, relay B now knows about my new profile data, but relay A will never get that data because I removed it from my relay list or it was offline whenever I sent out an update. Now you can understand how this can be a problem given a long period of time as users migrate between relays. Relays come online, go offline, and so forth. Over the course of a long period of time, you can have various old copies of your profile on various Nostr relays. They're not in sync. So I built this tool to help with syncing since clients do not do this. This allows you to never lose your contacts, keep all of your information up to date, have backups, and you can switch relays and not have to worry about people seeing different profile pictures or different websites or different lightning addresses and so forth. It allows all of your contacts and all of your profile metadata to be in sync. So to get started, you log in. If you're logging in on the web, you can log in with an extension, or you can click connect and scan the QR code with your Nostr remote signer. If you're on a mobile app, you click connect and then you tap the button here that would appear on mobile. So since I'm on desktop for this demonstration, I'm going to click log in with extension and I'm logged in. So you can see, for the more technical user out there, this syncs your metadata, which includes your profile metadata, your contact lists, your mute lists, your pinned notes, your relay lists, your bookmarks, your communities, your search relays, your interests, emoji lists, DM relays, and so forth. All of your Nostr profile data. So to get started, you need to choose a relay that has your data to get started. So I'm going to choose a relay such as ditto.pub. I had entered this before. I'm going to click connect. It says I'm connected. Now I have the option to download all of my profile data. I could actually restore from a backup if I had downloaded it before. Or I can choose to load profile data from the relay. If I look at this relay, I see I have some mute items, contacts, bookmarks, all sorts of different relay configurations, profile metadata, my interests, and so forth. I'm going to choose to sync all of it, so I hit select all. And then I would go over here and choose a target relay. A target relay is where I want to send my profile data. However, I'm going to recommend, unless you have a very specific scenario where you only need to send it to one relay, you can enter that one relay in here. Otherwise, I'm going to recommend clicking on Use Blaster. Okay? Use Blaster will send your profile data to the top relays around Nostr. So your relays will be synchronized, your profile data will be synchronized to the most popular used relays. But if you're spinning up a brand new relay, or you have a small community relay or a private relay, you might want to enter that manually in here. And then you just go down and you click on Sync Events. And it syncs all of your events. You can do this for multiple relays if you think you have different profile data. So let me hit disconnect here and show again. I'm going to connect to my personal relay. I'm going to hit connect. It says it's connected. Found 13 profile events. Okay. I'm going to go down here and say, yes, this relay has the most up-to-date information. So I'm going to hit select all. I'm going to go to the target. I'm going to hit use blaster because I'm going to blast it to all of the relays that are popular. And I'm going to hit sync. And in a few seconds, I have the confirmation. It synced 13 events. And that's it. That's how to use Syncster. If you have any questions, drop a comment.